Ghana for Mama Wakwaba, Yawo Adom TV Kasebo, and there you best share in your name wasem, you best share Senyana Ghana for Geo Money Ewo Independence Square, Senyana, and there Ajuma Yefo, Umeda, you best social Senya, Mrasha bedroom, Ashemra, Ena, Ghana for Soa, Umo South Africa, you best share near Moya Woho. Mekojime humeaba. Your friend me Kwadwo Kaspar, and then so ya May da edikan Ajuma Yefo ahumeda enti Ghana for ako Independence Square ako je omo hume enti yanko hwe ne na ekoso ewo ho.
The third issue, Your Excellency, relates to the challenge you are facing in the implementation of the National Pensions Act, Act 766, and its amendment. We have been particularly unhappy about the way the second-tier pension for public sector workers has been handled by government. We never expected government to take workers to court on this issue. That is why we have made direct appeals to you, Your Excellency, to withdraw the case from court. On this special day, I would like to take the opportunity to appeal to you once again to withdraw the case from court. Labor relations are not for courts, and the courts should not be seen as solving labor-related issues.
Hello Felicia, Pacho Wutimenka na.
Hello? Hello, Pacho Wutimenka.
Felicia, your name say wo Independence Square. Until obeti aka kire yen niema ekoso wo ho.
Oh, Cecilia, they me Independence Square. Now she hanoma organization about one more shot on here, Mr. President, help us. Mr. President, will bound to bring your pension. My young sticker, do some stuff. And you one more up and normal for a president. It's two organizations. I want my sister on my side here. We'll be a kid for next time, boss. One my church and them. I can but you better Independence
Yo Felicia, ya dawa se bebre. Yo, enti ya call drum ho ako ma amanfo nyina Ajuma Yefo ahumeda papa enti ya ma nyina Fisha pa.
Ni mabusume ne da edi kan eyeda bia yedi eyesi honomo amadwuma yefo a se edru sada no wa fibia mu a yedidi afofie ema adwumayefo nyina eje omahome na eno nam so amadom kase ene yate yehu egumontene so ene amanfo dodo no atwetwe nkomo na yekopie mu ewo tema station edwakese no emu ene ma etontone niema ekasaye enam sel akwakoye da ponda kase ema adwumayefo ni ntino omuchiechi omadofo eni nkranhyan samahodo a omowo edema adwumayefo nyina.
We see my sorry for nyina me mama ne me papa me busu for enya no man to areas for nyina me wish omo nyina happy May Day.
Mr. Sakwa ewo Ghana Prison Service yamano happy May Day. Ene ne ba Angela ene me sister Root Japan or Sunyan or Yajmo Ghana Forestry. Me man happy May Day.
Me mami awo ejumako. Ene me papa awo takrade. Me nuanum bi omo lotteries ene me amemma esi kweku ene Michael ene ma Abraham. Me momo afin shapa.
Me wish mami happy May Day. Imami atolanti ago. Agbene mbile hu ni laate. Kenye me fe.
One wish one ye me fe May Day. Your husband can be Audrey Carozo. Kenya you me fe. Me wish I me fe May Day.
Yo Ghana for albinos and I say a frija toa umo Ghana ha. Umo say ebinom kumomo ebinom chicha umo hu abaye sika duro. Enti umo de wosem aba bonten aka kire yen. Enti yanko tie asema mfrija to beka kire yen.
Empempi no se ye wo obi na se oye ofrije to a eya na na setena mu akoye ye pa. Na edin process afọ no behu se omo eka omo ho ekonipa mu sade omo bobre ene omo abose etie ni ntinom omo ntai enka omo ho enkonipam da bia no na omo ye mo a akoye ankonam se ye wo bi na oye ofrije to a enya ne mfom soa na ye wotai wodidie ebi ewo ye memu se ye wo bi na se oye ofrije to a na kamia ye se nipa no eye musu kase pa ena na wofo abo anaso ye musuba eni kantiti nimpo no se abofra bi ewosate bi animu a yetumi eja ne kwan na se ye wo bi na wo frige to a ni nyina ye sade abodie emu no eniama pa senka onya wo yafunu mu na ne wedie no eba no eya na ebi eto sini eniti ene ye bewo abofra bi a na owosate bi no emu no kwasi kokko bese skin pigment or color eniti ena edesa ayesuo no eba na akoye hu ye pa ama yenuanom ofrige tofo enei se wuduro man Ghana mu a amanfo bi ene tete nkwankyene a omo echi wo mo ekunkum wo mo ede omo eye omusika duro epe omo ho ene omusika na eno nam so ama yensam twurofo bi ede sa de eto wo ho so yenua Felix akoyam ene na mu a ene ofrige tofo bi a omo ekoti bia mu a nanka amanfo ekokun wo mo na enso otwedi ampom ebo aye mo mo de omutiri edidi mu.
Some call me monkey, others also say I am an evil, some say I'm a smaller god, some even get to the extent of referring me to a pig. But I was hearing them saying that, oh, we thank God this year the harvesting will be very plentiful. This year we will have a lot of harvesting. Anytime we have an albino to sacrifice to the gods, we get a lot of harvest that year. And thank God we have had one. And this one is very energetic, very healthy. So they were saying so, and I got to realize that no, something was going on. So I was really scared. I was very scared.
Someone does not want to associate with you is a discrimination. Okay. And for that reason, the person is influenced because, and does not even think, you could do anything, even, getting employed. Yeah. But the person that just does not believe that you can do something. You're just written off. And that is serious. So somebody confessed to me that when I first entered the office, he was like, hey, all this service, you employ this one too. You know, she has become so close to me. But when she said it, I was like, so it's not, I thought, so am I not human enough? You know, so I couldn't go to school and get a job as in the audit service, you know. So, and also for my sister, going for lunch for winter, somebody told her, if you associate with her, you will have such kids. Because of all these misconceptions that, society have. So they don't want to associate with you, and they don't want, somebody does not want to associate with you, and will also discourage somebody from associating with you. My sister my sister is also married now, but I remember she told me once before that, someone she was dating, there's a little problem. Like everybody said, why her? Among everybody, a lot of people around you, why do you have to date, such a person? When there are issues you have to discuss, it means that you shouldn't even bring you shouldn't even bring that because like he has done you a favor,
Ghana for Moshe holiday edition of Adom TV Ewo Fanofa Street. And Honorable Taylor B. and I'll say Drew September and Domso Bejai. And Ghana for a young one wa papa and a cold drum ako bisa o my for say Omojine Diana
Nano Benada etwemi wo edwumadie papa ba ko a ye no wo Adom TV eso eye pampaso ena onuanyamfo Taylor B mrasebedwani ema kwale clothi abaton peswa ne so ede ebetu dwase ewo ne ma papa mampani John Dramani Mahama ene na aban ede egu akwan muti no enche bia wo ebo busumi mu ye September busumi edi eni ma ebei oman Ghana ye nka ne ho sensam a amanyumeku ahodo eguguo na nipa yeyi omadie ebinya dwumanye no eto ebetumi etwa na eno enam so ema Adom kase ya fato ye ho so etisi montene ene amanfo dodo no a etwetwe nkomo ejomadwenkyere ewo sansem a ononyamfo Taylor B editu dwa no eho
tenani 3 days omuma fiti anopa no ndura anopa no msoye omudum no ene omonsoye nti light ne die somso be omo be jai di anka be demum esa ye nam ne ye niam e fridge mu nyina be sei esa nso enye fine so ye show monim odi ombe kan ye di so betimi aye ama dum so na jai di anka ye papa fisi ye niam asesei pa nya agrokra
ye no kra de ene anka ye pa because ye nwochire ye nodo ye nwina asei o so de ye nodo nto omo aye ye mai
na menyini ni se September no watumi amadwun so akọ won ka no kra wom pa nkire ye mienwu de ekoso na wonya na ada ye bebrebe no
sre na ala omomoden ala ye kun adwuma no nyina esei adwuma nyina light na de ye adwuma ni nyina obi enye adwuma enko because of light nti ye sre no ye pa ne chow omomoden no September no onye maye ni ye hwe no ala
etinda enti enya de ye di ani batuso anu an se Nyankopon na ye hwe no sere obema nsuo atogu akosomom na yenya nsuo no mebre na sa hadro no atuma ye adwuma
enti Ghana akwa koko akwafo wo say Ghana oban the scholarship ama nkrofo a wo nim koko akwafo ho adwuma hwe enti eye wo mpekura eye mo buofo enti won se won fa sa ekuafo koko ekuafo scholarship no emma ekuafo ankasa enti yen ko hwe nkase ebo a ewo ho
koko ekuafo a wono wo asenfo su ene ne mpatemu e de atudwa se odi ho ya opa se enei sika ese ye de boa wono mofra suku mu eye insiechi ba scholarship no akwakodi afa bi a wono mponsa ka sika na ye de boa wono nkoda e wo ntoaso suku no wono hu koko odua mpoda e wo wona brabo mu ekuafo yi a wono ne na mane bofo twenkomo no kiremu a yase ebinumu etete enkran ene nkura kase mu a wono ndo koko da wono ntia hesio da wono hu koko abakra da so sika nkese de boa ekuafo a wono dua koko wono ma woto wono wumasua so na de bi obekoboa wona wofo na wonko saa bere mu no enipa a wono mu anye koko hu adwuma bia no ene de saa scholarship no ye de ehwe wo mu ekuafo ya toto asre aban se wo mamodi ama na ni enna ho na saa koko scholarship a yese de ma koko ekuafo a yemfama wonom no onhwe na enko koko ekuafo wono nsem
de nkrata ne ba na yes ye hu adwuma de ma wo ma se disu chief ama na se diwo ana se QCD ne ye hu adwuma wia na ye de ama awofo ne so mo mfa nko school mu ho na mo de ma nkwala ne de ko school mu a ye nim se bia na headmasters ne de be kokoko board ewo mu na nkwala ne de abase papa ye se wo eja no gina fakọ saable no na bre no ayetia ma awofo no wonya ahoboa be akuafo no su bebere wo wa mo remote sebia ye nkronkitu mu a ho no ansa no boka ko bo papa ama ne obeba no kra no na bre na tia no a kire se ontimi nsan fa nya ho hwibiem na ade de yawa sanse eka ebi nso second scholarship no wia ombe ko school mu wono sky inse se ombe refer dia ma first second term school fees no a omo atua na ese ye be refer dia ma omo se kan bi wo ho no mo dada beba nti saa aka no ba ebetiti ni nyina afrim nti omo nsan refa sika na awofo na atua no emfa ma awofo no atua no school fees na scholarship na aba no e say refund the amount awofo no nsenka saa sika no na akoye kobla akoye say o eka bi ho ye de betiti saa na awofo no saa sika na hye
me say ekron kitwa no mu no ya ba bre saa scholarship ba ibedi che ne say abanye ho adwuma na ba pa ba obi ti kroma na sebe ne ba kokonu kro hu bi da panyi kro no kwa na why panyi scholarship ne ba saa no mapia ni nyina de akoma panyifo no e ba saa na aye oha de bia na ma ye bo abane sombo kidi e be sere ne se e ba ma esowofo ne nko a fa ne saa sebe ye okun kidu am so ya munya ho mfaso ama abane ya mo ne kwadu
ye ne ya nkwa na o master first year o mo scholarship no e ba ye na mi se ye wo nkura na asinte no ye ntehwe ye betia ne ye scholarship no na aba na eko tiyan so ye de disrede ba se ekwan ben ne ye be fa so a ye nso ye wakura nkete won mu no ye be ye den na ye nso ye nya scholarship no bi na ye de ama ye ma
Ejapia Peters ena omode nkase prem to brem kase bo abreye enti yekoto akrata aba